Hey, we're here at the Stratasys booth. I'm with Robert. He's going to basically just take us around, show us what you got this year, okay?
Sure, Todd.
Cool.
Well, you know, here, we're starting right here. We'll start out big. We decided to go big. So really,
big.
meet Mr. Link. Really, one of the things we talk about a lot with our J750 and that whole type that does the prototyping, it turns out the movie industry is just really loving on what we can do. So Leica, one of our best customers out in Portland, Oregon, they're releasing this movie. It'll be a great movie. So if you get a chance, April 12th.
Yeah.
But that's the missing link. But this is the machine that they use a ton of. It's a J750, and it's really, really phenomenal for multicolor, multi-material, and really high resolution, high quality product realism. It is from a prototyping perspective, most of our customers, it's still 70% of the 3D printers in the world are still doing prototyping.
Right.
And this would be at the top end from a polyjet printer.
Yeah.
So we're
super detailed.
Super detailed. We're very, very excited about these and what we're doing with more software capabilities with voxel print. We've also introduced the J735, which is a little bit smaller bed and a little less price to get people into that. But it's incredible. You can see here on the cabinet, you can see some of the different types of stuff. And actually, this thing right here, and for our camera, I mean, the clear and the vivid colors we have is super incredible.
So you could print one of those?
Oh,
that's a print.
We did print this one.
Just
Exactly
kidding, I
right.
knew that,
Todd, you're pretty good. So, but we go from the prototyping side, and even take a look at this. This actually is kind of cool. I mean, it feels like leather. Yeah, looks like leather. We've even got this little swatch. And a customer could actually request us. We could send out this swatch to get an idea of the textures you could do. But the reality is, this entire thing was 3D printed, which is pretty crazy.
Oh wow, yeah.
So again, prototyping still big business, and we're doing a lot with our J series to be able to accomplish that. But what gets really cool, and Todd, if we come on over here, I think this is awesome. What some of our customers they do with when they get a 3D printer. So we enabled this company, CAD, Center for Advanced Design up in Minneapolis. They decided to figure out how do you make a hydrofoil surfboard. Right. And within 30 days, they had a prototype running. This is one that has carbon fiber printed propeller. This impeller, this part. There's a couple other parts on this one. This is one of them. There's another version that the entire bottom assembly is done in carbon fiber, so all 3D printed. But again, it's just showing what people can. Is what people can do.
30 days from concept to actually running it in the water.
To water. And, and you get a chance, we got big videos up there, but you can see the guys out there I could never do it. I don't have the core strength, but it's pretty incredible.
Nice.
But here we go, and we talk about this is what I love. So prototyping is cool.
Yep.
But the ability to get into manufacturing, tools, jigs, fixtures, working aids. So this is a drill guide for. It's a race team.
DSR, Don Schumacher.
Don Schumacher, right.
Yeah.
And so we printed this out of carbon fiber. We're going to insert we'll put the inserts in, and it's going to be a drill guide. But the beauty is they got this within 2 days. They had the part back. It fits perfect to the frame they want to put it on. But it was a quick, easy thing. And otherwise they would have done that in aluminum, would have taken $6,000 in 6 weeks to get something back, and they had it done the next day.
Awesome.
This is actually, another thing is, this is a weld fixture. So again, very simple. I need to hold something that's complicated? Yep. Just 3D print something to do it.
Yeah, because you've already got the model in SOLIDWORKS.
Exactly right. Exactly right.
Cool.
One of my favorite is the end of arm tool. Yeah. And for anybody doing robotics, if you're doing robotics, you should consider an FDM printer to help create end of arm tool and to give you a lot of flexibility as you're looking to take more use for your robot.
Nice.
But it really extends that capability.
Yeah. There's just so much here.
So as we go around here, a couple other things we're talking about is we just came out with some TPU parts. So now on the F series, we can print TPU. We walked by that group of people. They're all talking. We've actually talking about the folks from GrabCAD. So when you use SolidWorks, but you want to send it off, we can actually read a SolidWorks file directly into GrabCAD and just send it right to the printer. Yeah. We're even getting to a point where we can just drop a file into this USB.
Oh, cool.
But if I wanted a little bit more control on what I do, I can work through GrabCAD. So it's a great extension to SolidWorks. And so that's kind of what we're showing here today.
It's pretty good stuff. There's lots of stuff.
There's lots
hey,
of
there's
stuff.
a video of the
of the board. Yep.
prototype board up there. It's kind of hard to get to, but that'd be great.
Yep.
A great way to finish up here.
And one last thing is I'll show this because a lot of people walk by and say, hey, well, that's a metal part. So today, Stratasys, we don't have a commercially available metal printer, but we do print metal. And really, one of the things we're doing is with Stratasys Direct Manufacturing, our division that is a huge service bureau. They do a ton. They're actually probably the #2 metal printing company in the United States. Behind GE, SDM does a ton.
So as a service.
As a service bureau. And so you can always reach out to our resellers.
Sure.
And you can get connected to SDM if you're not already.
Yep.
But they'll do all types of stuff. They do urethanes, they do metals, they do our stuff. They do SLA, SLS. In fact, multi-jet function. We own every technology of everybody out here that's printing.
Yeah.
Stratasys Direct Manufacturing does a great job with that. So
pretty good.
we really open it up for you. So this is our Stratasys booth. It's big. We started with the big guy, the missing link.
There you go.
And today, Todd, that's kind of the tour we got.
Man, that was an awesome tour. Thanks, Robert.
Todd, pleasure.
Thanks.
Take care.